Dr. Nandipha, number 2, another South African doctor is facing serious allegation. Welcome to Tuli Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment. While the country is currently focused on Dr. Nandipha Makumane alleged crimes with her partner lover Tabo Pastor, there is yet another South African doctor that is also facing some serious allegation. According to the report, a South African woman doctor named Dr. Amukelani Mtombeni is currently in some water for allergy, employing people without paying them. It is reported that Dr. Amukelani Mtombeni alleged employs people at her private practice, but it is time to pay them. She alleged gives them a run around. As you can imagine, a lot of South African on social media site Twitter have responded to this serious allegation against Dr. Amukelani Mtombeni, and many have left wondering what is wrong with the South African doctor. Guys, we all know that the medicine, it's one of the most respected career, and I just wonder what is going on with these people. Look, guys, you know, our Dr. Kwabe, as you can see, they were all saying with Dr. Kwabe, they were making fun of him. As you can see now, you know what they say, never judge book by his cover. These doctors, guys, they're living their life, you know, they're living the Instagram life. As you can see with Dr. Amukelani, you know, she's holding those expensive bags. They forget that they need to pay people. They forget, yes, medical doctor, I get, they are good. They do get money. Their money is very enough for them to take care of their family. They do earn a lot of money, but it depends where you are working at. I'm not sure, but they do get a lot of money. But this thing of wanting to buy a bag of 30,000, you know, living the soft life, you want to be Dubai every week, it's not gonna work, honey. It's not gonna work, sweeties. So anyway, guys, we hopefully they fix the mess. Go trust me and believe.